Hey guys, before we go to supermarket, let's check what we already have in kitchen. Pedro, what food and drinks do you have at home right now?
Well, let me see. I'm a kitchen. There is some chicken. I fed tomatoes and a lot of rice. There are also some carrots and onions. Put there in any cheese, and I don't have any juice or soft drinks. I want to buy some eggs, some bread, and maybe a bottle of orange juice. Oh, and we need some oil too.
Okay, so in my kitchen there is some pasta, a lot of beans, and some salt. There are a few bananas and some yogurt, but there isn't any bread and or butter. And I don't have any chicken or vegetables. So I want to buy some lettuce, tomatoes, and maybe some cheese and ham. Also, I want to get a carton or milk and some cookies for dessert.
Great. So we already have some food to start with, but we still need to buy some important things.
Yes, let's make a list before we go. That way, um, w- we don't forget anything.
Good idea. Let's go shopping now.